Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary, I said the mythological Kawasakians, the latest, the greatest, two Williams to act a fool. We gonna call them the Ninjians. The Ninjians out here doing what they love to do, taking that mighty throttle hand and acting a fool. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Kawasakians down, or will the Kawasakians take that hand and take it all the way back to heaven and bring it down on the devil and say, slap, I just gave you the 5-finger discount and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, two Williams style. Kawasakians, what's up with the Kawasakians? What y'all on, baby? You know I used to be a Kawasakian. My latest bike that I got rid of was a Z900, a Z900. It was a beast. Oh, he's out of here. Yeah, but dude. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here comes my hand devil. I hope you're ready. He out of there on that little bike. He gone. Oh, he definitely moving. Oh, they already got a cop up ahead of him? What did he do? Oh, they must have been looking for him. They got, that's one, his two, he already got 2 stars. Off the gate, he got 2 stars. Whoa, did they ram each other? I don't think they catching him, he moving. They stopped at that stoplight, that might have been a bad idea. If I was him, I'm jumping on that little road right there, that bridge, I'm gone. I'm on the bridge of heaven. I'm on the bridge of heaven, out of there. I don't see him. I don't know what he's saying on that microphone. Y'all cannot understand him. It's like he got the microphone shoved all the way down his throat. All I know is my boy on that bike, he running from the truth like y'all running from the truth. You know you married a freakazoid. You know you married somebody that loved to share that community meat. And now you're mad everybody talking about you. You knew what you was getting into when you married her. Married the neighborhood thought, and you mad that she want to do thotty things. I never understood you cats. Your friends warned you about her and you still wiped her up. You get what you reap, or you reap what you sow. Where's the bike at? I don't see. I ain't seen the bike since the beginning of the video. I ain't seen the bike since the beginning of the video. Where's he at? What they say? He hauling ass. Is that him? I know you lying. Is he having bike problems? Is he playing with the police? Oh, he think it's a game. He think it's a game. I don't know. I think this is in Texas, y'all. Look how easily he pulling away from that police officer. No problem. He's out of here. Thunder, thunder. Oh! That boy ain't playing. Oh! Tahoian, let me take over. The Tahoian said, let me take control of this. You couldn't catch me on foot. How you gonna catch the bike?
Hey, I got radio. You go stay with them. We're gonna be northbound 174 towards Joshua.
I think this guy is playing with him, y'all. I wouldn't be playing with him. Absolutely not. Especially not in Texas. They probably allowed to do whatever they want to you. I'm not playing around in Texas. Why do they even have Tahoe police trucks? What is the purpose? What's the purpose of having a Tahoe police car? Why? You know that thing is slow. I don't get it. I don't see what the purpose is. Oh, it can carry a lot of stuff. I mean, I don't think it can carry too much more stuff than a regular cruise What is it called? An Explorer? Because I don't think they need nothing that big. I just don't think the police need a car that big. What's the purpose? It's slow. I don't know. It just looks good. It's like a waste of money. It's a waste of... He stopped again? He's playing with the cops. Oh, we got ourselves a cocky jockey. Man, look how quick he took off on him. Oh, that's another cop, man. They on him. I don't know what he did. It looked like a Chad on there now. That looked like a Chad. There's another cop on him. Pookie ain't stopping. The legendary Pookster, he ain't stopping. Now Chad, he want to play games. You know Chad, they live on the edge. Y'all Chads, y'all live on the edge, man. Y'all will try anything. I got a couple Chad friends. And y'all will try anything and try to convince us to do the same thing. Nah, I'm good, bro. My luck ain't like yours. Here, take this stick of dynamite and light it and try to throw it right before it blow up. Nah, bro. My luck ain't like yours. Man, he took off on him again. Homeboy is out there acting a fool right now. This is his third time taking off on these boys like they nothing. I hope he got a tank full of gas. Well, you know them bikes, they probably run for 2 days on a half a tank. I don't see him again. Chasing Ghost again. It's the third time they was chasing Ghost. Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call? Yeah, I definitely don't see him no more. This dude is clowning right now. Do y'all see him? Because I don't. Look like they chasing the figment of their imagination. They chasing the figment. I know that Tahoe ain't. I know for sure. I'm 100% sure that Tahoe ain't keeping up. I am 100% sure that Tahoe is not keeping up with that bike. I don't know why the Charger has not taken the lead. We know that Tahoe governed at 120. How is he the lead car? Oh, they lost him, y'all. I think they lost him. I think they lost him. I think he pulled the Harry Potter Protector Patrona. He in the country right now with Francisco sipping on Noogie juice. He with Francisco somewhere, y'all. They toasting to each other. We did it. You let me drive and I told you I'd get us away. I definitely don't see him. Why was the Charger not the lead car anyway? I just don't get it. Why did you let the Tahoe take lead like he was like he had a supercharged Tahoe or something? Like he was pushing Hellcat power.
Here he is right here.
What? I know you lying, man. What? Did he have problems with his car? The bike? Oh, the bike's smoking, y'all. The bike must have gave out. Look, the bike's smoking. Y'all see the smoke coming from the bike? Yeah, I think, yeah, the bike, he had a bike. The bike gave out on him. The bike said, I quit. I quit. You ain't gave me a tune-up in 5 years. I quit. Yeah, the bike smoking, y'all. He must have ran out of gas. Nah, not ran out of gas. He probably overheated. He did something, because that was smoking. He's supposed to got away, man. Look at the smoke coming from that bad boy. That thing's smoking like a chimney. It's burning up. It's on fire. What was that song? Nelly, it's hot in here. Look at them for smoking. He ran it too hard. He ain't had no oil in it. He had no oil in it, y'all. He ran it too hard. What y'all think? That's a 600? Kawasaki 600 Ninja? Definitely a Ninja, right? Good looking bike too. Blacked out too. You know you got to get a Ninja. It's got to be blacked out. What is he looking for? What is he looking for on the bike? You inspecting the bike because you thinking about getting one? He looking at like in the comments. My boy, my boy, my boy. You got away 3 times. You played with fire 3 times. You should have just stayed on the throttle the first time. See what happened when you play games? When you play games, you get games prizes that you don't expect. Look, you kept on playing games, and the devil said, listen here, I never told him I was going to let him get away 3 times. If he play with me one more time, I'm going to shut that motor down. And that's what he did. He shut the motor down on that bike because he easily got away from the cops 3 times, y'all. 3 times he got away from the cops. Kept on playing with him, kept playing with fire, kept on thinking it's a game. It's not a game. Once you get busy, get busy. Why are you trying to play games and laugh at people and make fun of the cops that act like they can't catch you? Okay. Now, then again, maybe he was having problems with the bike. That's why he was stopping the 3 times he stopped. Well, the first time he just took off. The second time he slowed down, and he ended up taking off on him again. Right there, that's the second time he took off right there. I don't know, maybe he was having problems with the bike. Maybe the bike was acting up. See, that's what happens when you don't tune your bike up. That's what happened when you don't tune it up or you buy it off of Facebook Marketplace or eBay. You get what you bought. So I'm thinking he probably was having bike problems and he wasn't playing around with them. I doubt it because it just seems like, I don't see how you can be having bike problems and then you just take off like that. Look, he just took off on him again easily. So, man, listen. If you ever running from the boys in blue, we don't condone it. If you ever running from them, I advise you, don't play with them. Because you never know what your vehicle could do. His vehicle gave out on him. It wasn't that he couldn't get away. He wasn't a better rider than him. He was actually a good rider. It's just his bike was not well maintained. Maintain your equipment. If you're going to be a criminal, maintain your equipment. But yeah. Great chase, man. Shout out to the 2 Williams. I'm not going to hold this one against you. The bike just gave out. He definitely got away. It's just his bike gave out on him, and he didn't end up getting away. He got away, but then he ended up getting caught because his bike gave up on him. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I said like, comment, subscribe, and give me a couple of those hype points. If you don't mind, give me a couple of those hype points. If you don't mind dropping a couple of those hype points in my cup. I would definitely appreciate it. But you know what? I love y'all. I love you, Werewolf Pack. Big shout out to y'all for always supporting the King Werewolf. You don't have to support me, but you do. You don't have to slide through the Werewolf Pack's channel, but you do. You always come back and show me love, and I love y'all for that, man. And hopefully I entertain y'all. Hopefully I can bring a little bit of joy to your day because I know it's hard out there. I know y'all have a hard time just like me. Life is hard for everybody. Even if you're rich, you got rich man problems. If you're poor, you got poor man problems. But at the end of the day, life is hard. And don't ever think that I don't think you have hard times like I do, because we all have hard times. I just love y'all, man. I always wish the best for y'all. I pray for y'all every day because I always hope that y'all come back. And it ain't about the views, man. I just want to talk to y'all in the comments because a lot of y'all, I feel like I know y'all a little bit personally because we always talk in the comments. I may not be able to get to all the comments. I try my best. You know I do. But I love y'all, man. And with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. If you ain't where you want to be, the problem could be you holding yourself back. The problem could be that you are holding yourself back. You're surrounding yourself with little demons, so you're blocking your blessings. You're out there doing things that you know you ain't supposed to do, and you're not applying yourself. Yeah, some of y'all just not applying yourself. You great, but you don't want to put the work in. You don't want to apply yourself. And I know what I'm saying could be hurting a couple of y'all because y'all like, damn, you like you being a little hard. Listen, if you ain't where you want to be, 9 times out of 10, you ain't applying yourself or it ain't your time. It's one of the two. You not applying yourself or it just ain't your time. So if it ain't your time, then that's okay. But if you're not applying yourself, that's not okay. Because some of y'all are great. Got pure D greatness in you. Born great. But you don't want to put the work in to activate the greatness. So you mad at the world. Don't get mad at the world. Get mad at yourself for not trying. For not putting forth effort. For hanging around negative Neds and negative Nancys. You like hanging around the negative people. You love it. Well, guess what? Love the life that you live in. Love the boring, the terrible life that you live in. Because you want that type of life because that's what you're asking for. Every action has a reaction. You doing negative things, you're going to live a negative life. So what you mad about? It's what you asked for, right? You said you wanted that negative life, right? You said, oh man, I love negative Ned and negative Nancy. Well, guess what? Love the lifestyle. Love the way you living because you asked for it. You got nobody else to blame but yourself. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe like I said. And we don't condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But if you was looking to buy a Ninja motorcycle, this is the commercial for you, minus the reliability. Minus the reliability. But it definitely showed you what that bike can do when it needs to do it. But hey, if you are going to run from the boys in blue, if you are going to get on your two-wheel machine and turn to a demon, can you please, and listen to me now, can you please make sure your bike is in good condition before you take off?